What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with a brand new video. There's a super clean Evo over there. Jesus Christ. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. We got another video for you guys. You can tell we're doing a little canyon run video today. Haven't done one of these with the tune yet. Obviously the last time I was here is when I first got the car, and it was right when I had got my wheels and tires. And sorry for you guys keep looking at this, because I'm trying to get my seating right for you guys so you guys can see a lot, you know what I mean? But looks a little high, so let's loosen this up a little bit. We're going for a little drive today. It's a little cloudy outside. Actually starting to clear up now. But we're going for a little drive. Like I said, haven't done a canyon drive in a while, and I'm excited to see how it does with the tune. Now I'm not gonna push the car too hard because I still have the stock wheels and tires on. The tires that the car came with from the dealership are not good tires at all, so I don't want to push the car too hard. I don't want to go, you know what I mean, I don't want to go off a cliff. But you know, we're gonna have a little fun with it. Haven't been up here in a very, very long time, so I'm excited to see how the car does. What are you doing, guy? But I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna talk to you guys after. We're gonna get the little drive going. Just enjoy the sounds. I mean, like I said last time, I didn't have an exhaust. I might have the intake, but I didn't have the exhaust. So hope you guys enjoy everything. I'm not gonna talk too much. But before we get up there, I just do want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support though recently. It's been amazing. You know, we're grinding content. We're trying to grind as much as we can. You guys are still stuck there with me. So yeah, just thank you guys so much. And by the way, there's still 70% of you guys that are watching these videos that do not subscribe. So if you guys are not subscribed to the videos or the channel, what are you doing, brother? You're not subscribed. That's what you're not doing. Anyways, we're going up the canyon right now. So like I said, it's just gonna be a nice little mellow, chill drive. Pulls every here and there, but we're not gonna go too hard because still a little scared of these tires. But yeah, let's just have a little fun with it. I'm gonna roll the windows down. We're just gonna have fun. To go, brother. She's saying push me now. She's saying push me, brother. Oh my gosh, she just wanted to go there. That motherfucker was loud. Holy shit. They must be having some fun up here. Oh my god, she wants to rip, bro. Don't want to push it too hard because these tires are kind of scary over here. Oh my god, she wants to rip it, dude. This gets me so excited for the track, because I eventually want to take the car to the track, but just just kind of holding off on it right now. But this gets me so excited for it. Wants to eat, dude. That's not good. What the fuck was that? A rock? I hope that was a rock. As soon as I can to figure out what that was. I don't hear anything weird. God damn it, I always have bad luck whenever it comes to filming videos. Something always has to go wrong. Ah, that was so scary. I don't know what that was, dude. I didn't see anything on the floor. I mean, kind of looking at everything looks fine. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. That was so weird, dude. I'm telling you, it's probably just a rock. Ripping through. I wish this was secluded. That'd be a nice place to take pictures. So this is not really the top, but the top just keeps going and going, and I feel like I'm gonna end the video here because I just wanted to go for a little canyon run. Look at it, dog. It's just so nice. Little canyon run with the Type R here. Honestly, the car feels very, very good. There's no complaints about it. The tune feels strong. Everything feels strong about it. Obviously, I am actually scared of these tires. These are Nexons. They're very, very cheap tires. Not summer tires, not grip tires. These are straight all-season tires, and these came from the dealership. So I didn't want to push the car too hard with these tires. I just didn't want to do that and mess everything up. So I just stuck with keeping it how it is, but keeping it stock for now. Obviously, wheels and tires are on the way, just not yet. I kind of know what I want to go with and what colorway I want to go with everything. So just stay tuned for that. We got a lot of things coming, guys. So don't worry, we got a lot of content still coming. But the car feels good. It feels 10 times more alive with the tune. Power metrics killed this tune. It just feels very, very good. It's awake now. You know what I mean? It just feels a lot more awake. So we got the car going. Car is a little dirty. She's filthy. She needs a little washy. I hear something coming up or down. But it feels very good. So can't complain here. Sheesh. I wanted one of those too, by the way. But she feels very good. I'm excited with how she feels. Eventually, I do want to hold a car cruise meet up in the canyons or just somewhere, just a cruise with some of you guys. It's just something that I'm thinking about. Not now, sometime in the future, but that's just going to be one thing on my bucket list. That I just want to be able to cruise with you guys and just hang out with you guys, because I feel like that'd be a very dope video and content and everything. Stay tuned for that. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you guys have been subscribed for a while, thank you guys so much. The love and support is unreal. It's crazy right now. So this car feels very good. It feels amazing. It feels alive. She just needs some wheels and tires and she'll be feeling like 10 times better. Just stay tuned for wheels and tires. It's to come. But don't worry, guys. We got more and more work to do. That's not the only thing that I want. There's a lot more stuff that I want to get. Obviously, like I said in the video, we are hopefully going to be tracking the car in December. It's not guaranteed though, but hopefully we can track it in December, get some track days going, because I want to track this car as well. This car will be probably very fun to track, so I'm excited for it. Let's be ready for what's to come. There's a lot of shit on the way. It's crazy. It's gonna be unreal. It's crazy. So let's be ready. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys hit the like button. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Dab, peace.